In this video, I will show you how to enable community tab on your YouTube channel. Let me show you how. Open up your YouTube app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you click on your videos right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply slide this way. Go ahead and click on post. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down where you have turn on my community right here. All you have to do is to simply click on that. And this is going to pop up right here. Introducing your new community. New viewer can post, discuss, and connect in one space. Manage your community. Choose what content can show up on your page. Linked from your channel. Access your community from your channel. All you have to do right here to simply click on View, Visit Community. So click on Visit Community. Now you are done. Your community is fully set. It's that simple. All useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.